Hey, garden lovers. Imagine a garden that you only need to plant once, and it keeps giving you fresh produce year after year. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 9 amazing perennial crops that you can plant once and harvest forever. These crops not only save you time, but they'll also save you money in the long run. Let's dive right in and discover which crops you can plant and forget, knowing they'll keep giving back. Our first crop on the list is asparagus. This one is a must-have in any garden. Asparagus is a perennial superstar. You plant it once, and it'll produce for up to 20 years or more, giving you fresh spears every spring. All it needs is a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Once established, you can start harvesting after 2 to 3 years, and you'll enjoy new spears each year. Best of all, you don't have to replant it. Just sit back and enjoy the harvest. Next up, we have rhubarb. This tart, vibrant plant is perfect for pies, jams, or just as a tangy addition to your meals. Rhubarb is super easy to grow and thrives in cold climates. You can plant it once, and it'll keep producing for decades, as long as you cut back the flowers to encourage new growth. Just be sure not to eat the leaves. They're toxic, but the stalks? Delicious and plentiful. Who doesn't love fresh strawberries? And with perennial strawberries, you get sweet, juicy fruit year after year. Plant strawberries once, and they'll come back every spring, producing multiple harvests throughout the season. They spread easily, so you'll get more plants over time. Strawberries thrive in sunny, well-drained soil, and they're perfect for hanging baskets, raised beds, or containers. Next on our list is garlic, a perennial crop that many people don't realize is easy to grow year after year. Garlic is a low-maintenance crop that, once planted, will keep coming back every year with little care. All you need to do is plant the cloves in fall, and you'll have fresh garlic the next summer. Garlic loves well-drained soil and full sun. Once you plant it, just wait for the fragrant harvest, and you'll never need to buy garlic again. Up next, we have oregano. This aromatic herb is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook. Oregano is a hardy perennial, so you can plant it once, and it'll keep growing back year after year. It thrives in well-drained soil and full sunlight. Not only does it grow back every year, but it's also incredibly easy to propagate by cutting back stems and replanting them. A never-ending supply of fresh herbs right at your fingertips. If you're looking for something a little different, try the asparagus pea, also known as winged bean. This plant is a true perennial treasure. The leaves, flowers, and pods are all edible, and it grows back every year once established. It's perfect for hot, dry climates and can be trained to grow on trellises, making it both beautiful and practical. Did you know you can grow kale as a perennial? It's a leafy green that keeps giving back with every harvest. Plant kale once, and it will keep producing edible leaves for up to 2 to 3 years. Just trim the outer leaves and let the center grow more. Kale loves cooler temperatures, so it's ideal for spring and fall. With a little care, you'll be able to enjoy fresh greens all year long. Artichokes are another fantastic perennial crop to plant once and enjoy forever. Artichokes require a sunny spot and well-drained soil. Once established, they'll keep producing large buds every spring. They're not just a beautiful plant to grow in your garden, they also make an excellent edible crop that's packed with flavor. Last but not least, we have chives. These little guys are perfect for adding flavor to any dish. Chives are incredibly easy to grow and will come back year after year. They love the sun, and not only do they come back year after year, but they're also one of the first things to pop up in early spring. A perennial favorite for your kitchen. So there you have it. These 9 perennial crops will save you time, money, and effort. Plant them once, and you'll be harvesting year after year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow gardeners, and leave a comment below telling me which perennial crops you're excited to grow. Make sure to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks, and check out my other videos for more ways to make your garden thrive with minimal effort.